Everything that is used for making this foldable light box you can find in your local store and will cost you almost nothing. You're gonna need this white cooking foil, and I choose this kind of cooking paper because if this foil gets dirty you can easily clean it up, and it's waterproof and also known as reusable non-stick paper. Next, you're gonna need some kind of soft metal wire. Why soft? Because we're gonna bend the wire to make the frames for our light box. Besides the cooking sheet and metal wire, you're gonna need white zip ties and couple of neodymium magnets. This light box will be 50 by 50 centimeters, and first you need is to make 4 frames out of metal wire that I described at the beginning. 4 frames 50 by 50 centimeters and 1 piece 50 by 30 centimeters. This frame will be for the top of the box. Now when you made all the frames, we're gonna take the cooking sheet and cut equal pieces for every frame. To remind you, this cooking paper is non-stick, so you can't use clear tape or similar. We're gonna use stapler to fix the sheet to metal wire frames. With zip ties, you're gonna join all pieces together, and neodymium magnets will be used for holding the frames in place and making this light box foldable. This isn't light box if you not have the right lights, so using LED white strips or using these portable flashlights are just basic setup. Here you go, it turned out pretty cool. Foldable light box made out of cooking paper, metal wire and zip ties. I hope you liked today's project. If so, hit that like button, share with your friends, and as always, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.
Hello Hacktours! Today's project will be simple LED voltage indicator for lithium batteries with 3.7 volts. The circuit diagram that I came up is most simplest and it works without transistor or chips. We're gonna use just 4 color LEDs and 2 resistors. If you want to build this, you will need to follow these instructions. Blue and red LED are connected in serial to 470 ohms resistor, and these LEDs will indicate voltage when are full battery, 4.2 volts. The second array is made from green and yellow LED connected in serial through 50 ohm resistor, and these LEDs will indicate battery voltage when is under 3.7 volts down to 3.3 volts. Now to explain how this works without transistor or chips. I am using voltage drop of LEDs, for example blue and red LED connected in serial powered by 4 volts and because of voltage drop of red LED, the blue LED will light only when the voltage is near 3.8 volts and 4.2 volts. The same situation is with green and yellow LED. They will light on when the voltage is around 3.3 and 3.7 volts. I have made some measurements on Lipo batteries to see how you can easily test Lipo batteries with this simple voltage indicator made from 4 LEDs and 2 resistors. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe. How you can make homemade power bank with high ampere capacity and will cost you only $4 for buying the electronic box that I found on eBay. Link below, you can check it. And if you have that laptop battery in your junk, this powerful power bank will save you a couple of dollars, and by the way, you will build something and you will learn how it works. First you need 18650 batteries, and buying them new, also finding good quality, costs pretty much. So finding laptop battery with Lipo cells in good condition, you can use them and save some time and money. The 18650 lithium battery number means the size of battery. Battery height is 18 mm and diameter 65 mm. It's good to know. Now back to the project. After removing the batteries from case, cut off all wires and check them with voltmeter which are good and which are dead batteries. My laptop battery was in good condition, so I got 3 lithium-ion batteries, 6 of them with 2000 mAh current capacity, each of them, so all 6 will make 12,000 mAh portable power with 3.7 volts, all batteries connected in parallel, remember that. Now when all batteries are soldered in parallel, it means all negative terminals connected at one pole and all positive terminals of battery on other pole. The voltage regulator, DC booster and lithium-ion charger all in one board module is cheap board that I purchased from eBay for about $4. Link below. It can be more simple than this. You need to solder positive wire from battery to positive terminal of board and do the same with the negative wire. On this homemade power bank I have added simple LED battery level meter for reading the voltage, and these 4 LEDs will show the voltage condition of lithium-ion battery. I have how to make this LED battery meter, just look out at my previous video projects. With adding the push switch for checking the battery level, I have finished this homemade powerful bank with 12,000 mAh and cool function LED voltage indicator. That's it for today, thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.